I just arrived here in Jamaica and I am at Sandals South Coast, and it's been a few years since I've been here, so I wanted to get a video. They have done renovations, and I know they've been working on it. There's multiple villages here. I stayed in the Dutch village before, I believe, which had been renovated. Now I am in the French village. The room is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So this is the French village, is towards the end of the resort where the overwater bungalows are going to be. So it's towards the end of the stretch of beach, but great room here. Got the mini bar over there. I just arrived. I haven't turned on all the lights here, but feels very light and bright, looks great. And I'll come out here to the balcony, which is very nice. So you have an option on the first floor of swim outs, or the higher floors are gonna have this great little sitting area, and then you have the soaking tub on the balcony. So here's the swim outs over here. And I have a great view of the pool right here. We've got the swim up, that's Schooner's restaurant. Oh, look at the sunset. It's gonna be beautiful. And the overwater bungalows are right out in that direction over there. So great, beautiful view here at the French Village. There's a bar over there, and I love the bar. It's really cool because it's like a pier. It's out in the middle of the water. So that is very cool. That's Latitude's bar, and they have hammocks over there, and it's just really pretty to watch the sunset. So again, it's been a few years since I've been here. Sandals South Coast, happy to return. It's about an hour and a half from the Montego Bay Airport, so it's a little bit of a drive, but well worth it.